In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create borders using Figma. First, open your design so you can see the canvas and the right-hand sidebar where your layer properties live. Borders in Figma are controlled through the stroke settings, and they work on shapes, frames, and images. So you can add consistent outlines to almost anything in your file. Start by selecting the exact layer you want to style. Click directly on the shape, frame, or image. You'll know it's selected when its bounding box appears and its details show in the right panel. In the stroke section, click the plus icon to add a border. You'll immediately see a thin outline appear around your selection, and the stroke controls will become active. From here, adjust the look to match your design. Click the color swatch to set the border's color and opacity. Lower opacity creates a softer, more subtle edge. Higher opacity makes it bold and defined. Next, set the weight to control thickness. Typing a value like 2 creates a clean, lightweight stroke, while larger values add emphasis. If your border looks too heavy or too faint at certain sizes, try small increments until it complements the content without overpowering it. Position lets you fine-tune where the stroke sits relative to the edge. Inside places the border within the shape's bounds, which keeps sharp corners crisp and avoids adding to the element's overall size. Outside puts the border just beyond the edge, helpful if you need to preserve internal spacing. Center splits the stroke on both sides of the path and is a good default if you are not working with tight layouts. For dashed or dotted borders, open the advanced stroke settings by clicking the 3 dots in the stroke section. Change the style from solid to dashed. You'll see fields for dash and gap. Dash is the length of each line segment, and gap is the space between them. Smaller dashes and slightly larger gaps read lighter and airier. Longer dashes with tighter gaps feel more structured. To create a dotted effect, set the dash to 1 or a small number. Then adjust the gap to your preference. Change the cap style to round, so those short dashes render as clean circles. If the dots look squished or irregular, increase the gap or nudge the weight up until each dot appears balanced. Remember, you can preview changes in real time, so make small adjustments and judge the result on your actual layout. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.